Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to Gohar Publishers. Our slogan is to redefining the geography of education through digital resources for conceptual learning. My name is Zainab and I am your geography teacher. So students, what we were studying? We were studying Gohar Geography for grade 7 and unit 1. तो स्टूडेंट्स हमने अपना सारा चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर लिया है और हमने बहुत अच्छे से सारा ज्योग्राफी का फर्स्ट चैप्टर दैट इज रिवर्स एंड प्लेन्स अच्छे से समझ लिया है. नाउ वी विल बी डूइंग द एक्सरसाइज ऑफ दिस यूनिट. तो स्टूडेंट्स अब हम अपनी एक्सरसाइज की तरफ मूव करते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. नाउ यू कैन सी ऑन योर बुक द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज टिक द करेक्ट आंसर्स. इन एशिया and Eastern Europe, temperate grasslands are called steppes. Yes. And the second one is plains are vast stretches of flat land. Good. The third one is the highest natural landscapes are mountains. Yes. And the fourth one is Mendes River is found in Turkey. The fifth, floodplains are formed by rivers. So students, हमने अपना MCQs objective type जो है complete कर लिया है. Now we're going to move towards our question number 2 and that is give short answers of the following. The first question is define the term plain. So students, its answer is a plain is a broad area of relatively flat land. Plains are one of the major landforms or types of land on the earth. They cover more than 1/3 of the world's land area, and plains exist on every continent. The second question is, what are plateaus? A plateau is a flat, elevated landform that rises sharply above the surrounded area, at least from the one side. It raises significantly above the ground. The third question is, write the 3 features of middle course of a river. So the answer is, the 3 features of middle course of a river are as follow. Number 1, the middle course of a river has some more energy and volume than in the upper course. Number 2, the gradient is gentle and lateral erosions has widened the channel. Number 3, meanders are typical landforms found in this stage. Now let's move on to the question number 4 and that is, what is meant by valley? The answer क्या है इसका? A valley is a deep depression between mountain peaks, hills or plateaus that forms over millions of years or usually due to fast flowing of water. Question number 5, how floodplains are formed? Floodplains are usually subjected to flooding when the water level is rising beyond the height of banks and adjacent water body overflows. The plains are often fertile and are made of deposits of silts, sands, leaves, etc. So students, these were our short questions. हमने 1 by 1 हर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस कर लिया है और जो लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन हैं, जो डिटेल्ड आंसर हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ऑन आवर बुक्स, दैट विल बी शोन ऑन द स्क्रीन. आप उसे स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं और आप वहाँ से वो क्वेश्चंस जो हैं रिट्रीव करके उन्हें यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की एक्सरसाइज अच्छे से समझ आई होगी और आपने ऑनेस्टली मेरे साथ साथ सब कुछ खुद से कोशिश की होगी करने की. तो आज हमने क्या किया? So to recap, what we have learned today was the objective of the unit, its short answer questions and detailed answers will be provided on the screen. So students, let's meet in another video. तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत ख्याल रखें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.